We are back at Lights Out Siena. So for today's episode, we are going to talk about another racing series, Formula 2. There's always a lot of talk about Formula 1, but you can't get Formula 1 without Formula 2. So let's break it down for you. Formula 2 is like the minor league of Formula 1. There are a lot of differences between the racing format, but this is what makes it really exciting. F2 shows the drivers' capabilities so they can get picked up by an F1 team. So let's talk about the F2 race weekend. F2 races usually run the same locations and dates as the F1 schedule. F2 has a different format though. On Saturdays they have what is called a feature race. This is the longer race of the two. It goes for 1 hour plus 1 lap. Each driver in the race must make at least one pit stop to change the new tire compound. Then, Sunday is the short sprint race. The sprint race runs from 120 kilometers or 45 minutes. The tricky part is the racing grid. The top 8 drivers from Saturday start in reverse order. So if you were 8th on Saturday, you'll start in P1. And if you were the winner on Saturday, you'll start in P8. The drivers 9th to 10th will start in these same positions. What's cool about F2 cars is that they are all the same, so it evens out the driving field. Also, F2 cars have 10,000 RPM horsepower, while F1 cars go up to 18,000 RPMs. The F2 teams also have really cool names like Art, Trident, Dams, and Compos. There are a lot of really fast and skilled drivers in Formula 2. So far this season, Callum Ilott from England and Mick Schumacher are leading the field of drivers. He is the son of the legendary Michael Schumacher, and this is his second season of Formula 2. Though F2 races have less prize money and smaller teams, it is really important race series because they are the future F1 drivers. That's all for today. See you next time on F1 Siena.